this thing can go faster than a Tesla, so. Hello everybody, welcome back to the second to last day of Vlogmas. Right now I'm up here at Thanksgiving Point going to Luminaria, so I'm gonna do some fun stuff. It should be here. I'm really excited to see these lights because I haven't, but like my sister and my mom always go every year and they don't invite me. But I'm going this year, so I'm really excited. But this vlog will be amazing. So come follow along as we go in and see Luminaria and the lights and all the beautiful things that we can see here. With like the Temple Square shut down, we're trying to find other lights. Alright you guys, we're just walking here through the lights, which has been really cool so far. Got our hot chocolate and drinking. I actually have to turn it around the other side so it's inconvenient, but yeah.
Hazelnut flavor. I'm just kidding.
I'm sure either of them would be good yet. So I got hazelnut, my sister got a different one, and blah blah blah, whatever. You guys look at this. Look at this bead bubble ornament, that's it. And then you have all these. So there is definitely a lot of cool lights here, so. Oh, this has been really fun. Starting to get a little cold because we are outside, but it's great. Tesla, so. Funny. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm out here on the farm with this chicken that does not like that I just picked it up. So I really didn't talk about much what happened last night. So I went to Luminaria, came back down to my parents, down to the farm for Christmas, and then just went on a little ride with my brother, and now just came out here to see the animals a little bit. So, yep, so, you guys, I can't believe it. It is Christmas Eve. I'm so super excited, doing a lot with family and all that. So, tomorrow's Christmas. So I'm super excited. It's finally here. It's crazy, but it'll be awesome. So, hope you guys like this vlog and this Vlogmas, but I will see you tomorrow in the last day of Vlogmas. Have a great day, great night. Bye. I love you.